Have you ever wanted to create mind-blowing AI art and videos directly from your phone, completely for free and without any limits? Today, I'm going to show you an incredible web-based platform called Gentube AI that does exactly that. You don't need any complex skills or experience to make something absolutely stunning. Before we dive into this step-by-step tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the desired channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI tools and tricks. Let's get started. We are exploring a platform called Gentube. And as you can see, I'm using it directly on my mobile phone to show you just how accessible it is. So, what exactly is Gentube? It's an app where you just make art. It's a fun, endless, and completely free way to create anything from surrealism and fantasy to cyberpunk. You can experiment with different colors, compositions, and styles. And even though I am showing you the mobile interface today, you can actually generate your art in any aspect ratio or size you want. The best part? It's all completely free, there are no limits, and it's instant. You genuinely don't need to be good at drawing, prompting, or anything technical to make something absolutely awesome. Let's dive in and see how it works step by step. When you click on this box, this page pops up for you. In the first section, you can enter an image or text to get a prompt. In the next section, you can lock the image using a seed value to keep it consistent. And in the other section, you can change your image size, so right here, I'm choosing the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is perfect for vertical images. Let's start with something fun and simple. You just type whatever is in your head. For our first test, let's go with a surreal concept, a girl sitting on a tree trunk in a mountain forest on a moonlit, neon night, with fireflies all around her, full of tree details. Watch this, and it shows up in like a second. Notice that the most amazing thing about this site is that it generates an image for us with every single word we type. Look at that details. But hey, if you don't absolutely love the first result, you don't have to worry. You just hit the button again. And again. Since there is no cost, you can be as picky as you want until you find the perfect version. As you can see, every time you generate an image, it gives you a completely unique vibe. It's literally like having an infinite gallery right in your pocket. And remember, you can change the canvas size whenever you want, depending on what you need. Now, at the bottom, when you click on Style, you're faced with a whole world of different style blocks. Clicking on each one generates a completely new image for us. Right here, I clicked on Surreal, and it gave me a brand new image. And whenever you love a picture, you just need to click on the Save option to add it straight to your image album. Over here, when you click on the More option, you have so many choices available that you can use to create an image just by clicking on them. For example, I'll click on Pixar Style, and it creates another beautiful image in the Pixar aesthetic. You can also stack other elements onto your style. Here, I'll click on Neon Glow, and it creates yet another image. Cubism, Baroque, Cyberpunk, basically stuff you'd see in a museum. Honestly, this is how I learned what half of these art styles even were. And whenever you don't like a style anymore, you can just tap this option to remove the one you don't want. Or, I can tap on Sci-Fi to generate another image, and this process goes on infinitely and completely for free. In the Place section, you can choose the location for your image. In my prompt, I wrote mountain forest, but here, you can pick one according to your own taste. Let's tap on Snow here, and you can see it creates a snowy environment with incredible accuracy. In the Subject section, you can select anything you want to add to the image. There are tons of different blocks. For instance, in the Animal section, I'll choose Hamster, and it adds a hamster to our image. You definitely have to try this yourself. In the Characters section, if you built a character using this platform's selfie feature, you can easily add them here. You can click on the Regenerate button over and over again until you get a flawless image, creating countless pictures entirely for free. As you can see, I've made so many images during this tutorial. When you click on the Remix option, you can take advantage of its excellent tools. All you have to do is tap on Style, Mood, or Lighting, and it generates a new image with massive speed and precision. Look, I keep trying different options, and simply tapping on each one creates another completely new image. I've actually made about 40 images right here using this feature. Now let's go back. When you tap the three lines in the top right corner, this drawer opens up where you can see other creators and explore their work. Once you enter this section, you can see what other users have created and get inspired. There are so many creators here who have produced stunning art with this platform. You can scroll through and pick one that catches your eye. I really like the work created by Theosis Breeze, so I clicked on their profile to see more. They've crafted some truly beautiful art, which you can browse through by simply scrolling. It's a great way to find inspiration. I really love this specific image. All I need to do is click on the Create More button. Now, we're in the creation area with this incredible piece. When we click on Style, we can see the image reimagined in different artistic styles. You don't need to do anything complex, just click Start, and it generates a new version. You can keep doing this infinitely and create beautiful artworks with just a single click. You can also change the mood of the image by clicking on Mood. I'll try this a few times until I reach a unique concept. For example, I really like this one. Now, I'll adjust the lighting, and you'll see how the effects and lighting change, giving the image a fresh new vibe. Plus, you can use the Layout feature to generate new layouts, which the platform handles in a truly unique and impressive way. Going back once more, because this platform is truly professional in art and design, you can create some fascinating caricatures. I have a prompt for a caricature here, which I'll simply paste in. You can then choose from various styles in the Style section and create your own storytelling piece by piece. I'll definitely cover how to create a sketch art story using the Gentube platform in a separate, dedicated video. It's an amazing way to create beautiful stories for both kids and adults. Make sure to use the Swipe mode too, where you can generate a brand new image just by sliding your finger across the screen. Definitely give it a try and let me know about your experience in the comments. Yeah, that's it. There is no cheaper, faster, or easier way to make real art online. Not even close. Just open the site and create your first masterpiece within the first 30 seconds. Head over to Gentube.app if you're bored or just curious, go make something cool. The link is right down in the description. That's all for today's review of Gentube AI. It is honestly a game changer for anyone looking to create unlimited digital art and videos on the go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Desire for more professional AI tutorials. The link to the website is in the description below, so go check it out and start creating. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.